¿Qué paso, amigos? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about five reasons why supermotos are the best motorcycles on the planet. And by best, I mean like the #1 bike of all bikes. There is nothing better than a supermoto. Hands down, period. End of discussion, end of conversation. And if nothing else, I hope that's what you take away from this until I post another video where I talk about why Harley Davidsons are the best bikes ever. That's right, you guys. I'm caving. I'm falling into the peer pressure. Everybody's doing it. You got to do lists, man. If you don't do a list video, top 5 reasons, top 6 reasons, top 10 reasons. If you don't put some type of a list into your videos, Mia, then how are you gonna get anywhere in life? You know what I mean? Let's go bother the neighbors.
What you guys up to? What's that? Yeah, I am from YouTube, John's Moto Garage. Yeah, that's me. How'd you know? That's cool, man. Have fun. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I've been losing a lot of sleep over the last couple months, really, about this debate, you know, like what's the best motorcycle out there? What's the #1 bike better than any other bike? And it has nothing to do with who you are or what type of riding you're going to be doing or your preferences. None of that has anything to do with it. There is a #1 motorcycle out there, and today we are sitting upon that motorcycle. Or, I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. This is the motorcycle upon which we are sitting, that being the #1 motorcycle. That's right, you guys, supermotos. And I want to just put this whole debate to rest today. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons. I condensed it into just 5 reasons why supermotos are the best motorcycles, the dopest of the dope, the best of the best. So top 5 reasons, not an exhaustive list, you guys, and not in any particular order, but 5 reasons why supermotos are the dopest and the absolute best motorcycles known to man ever to roll upon 2 wheels or 1 wheel on the face of this earth. So #1 reason, dang it, what was #1? I already forgot #1 reason. Oh, that's right, #1 reason. It looks like a dirt bike. That's right, you guys. It seems simple on its surface, but the supermoto looks like a dirt bike. And why, you may ask, does that make this such a dope motorcycle? Well, I'm about to tell you. Because it looks like a dirt bike and it's street legal, which means it's like a dirt bike that you can ride on the streets, but it's got street tires, unless you decide to put dirt tires on it, in which case it'll have dirt tires, but it's still street legal. So yeah, you guys may be wondering, well, isn't that kind of like what a dual sport is? And to that I would say, dude, get out of here, man. A supermoto is not a dual sport. You got inverted front forks. In some cases, you got dual front disc brakes. And so no, my friend, it's not a dual sport, bro. It's not a freaking dual sport, so get out of here. Let's take a look at it just to make sure it's crystal clear that this is not a dual sport. You see that? Street tires on the supermoto. So #1 reason, it looks cool like a dirt bike. It's street legal. That's the #1 reason. #2, why these things are so dope. These things are so dope because they're relatively lightweight and they're wicked good for newbie riders and beginners and your advanced, skilled, experienced riders alike. This one is fun for everybody to enjoy, whether it be my wife Jackie, who's just getting into riding, or me, who's like right there in the middle, or your top experts. The supermoto is a blast for all. And it's such a good bike for beginners because It's lightweight. It's not overly powered, but in the hands of the properly trained professional novice like myself, you can still have a lot of fun on these bikes. So that's reason number two why these things are so good. Reason number three, the Supermotos are perfect for learning tricks, skills, and all that kind of stuff. Check it out. I'm going to do a figure 8 real quick, and following my figure 8, I'm going to try to do a wheelie. Wait a second, I think I forgot what a figure 8 is. So there's a figure 8. You see that? Little figure 8 action. I only almost fell twice. And then followed by that little figure 8 action, we're going to pop ourselves a wheelie, just to demonstrate how awesome these things are. Now you show me one other bike that can do a figure 8 and a wheelie in the same session, and I might listen to your argument. So there's reason number 3, or are we on reason number 4? I already forgot. But yeah, these things are wicked fun to do tricks on and practice on, which is a segue into reason number 5. You can get these for pretty dang cheap. Used $4,000 to $5,000 for one that's good quality, low miles, newer. You can pick up one of these bad boys, and they're such a blast, such a blast. So you can practice your trickery, do your figure 8s and your stunts, and you're not breaking the bank, and you look like a hooligan while you're at it. I mean, that's just all awesomeness, if you ask me. Was that reason number 5? Did I already hit 5? But yeah, there's the top 5 reasons why Supermotos are the best motorcycle ever known to man. And in my honest opinion, IMHO, I think if everybody mobbed a Supermoto, that the world would be a much, much happier place. Because the bonus reason, numero 6, reason number 6, why Supermotos are so awesome is because it puts a smile on your face. And at the end of the day, isn't that what's most important? That you've got a grin from ear to ear, a smile on your face from sheer enjoyment of the Supermoto. So there you guys have it. Quick recap why Supermotos are so awesome. They look like dirt bikes, but they're legal, street legal. So you get to fall into that hooligan looking category and do it above the law. Reason number 2, perfect for beginners and advanced riders alike. Such a blast for every rider on the spectrum because they're just fun, manageable motorcycles. Reason number 3, you can learn figure 8s and wheelies on these bad boys. Reason number 4, you're not going to break the bank. You can pick these up for $4,000 to $5,000 with low miles and good condition. Have a blast on them. These things are great. They're versatile. Did I throw that in? They're versatile. You can mob on-road, off-road, in road, under road, over road. You can mob up the stairs, down the stairs. You can do it all on one of these guys. You can even catch air. On your street legal Supermoto. And then reason number 5. Reason number 5. What was reason number 5? I don't know, but whatever. We got to one of our reasons is it puts a smile on your face, and that's the most important thing, you guys. John's Moto Garage, as always, this is your go-to, man. I'm jumping on the list bandwagon, so smash the like button, subscribe if you dig lists, because we can do lists, man. We can definitely do lists, but can we shift through the gears? Let's try. Alright, let me see if I can shift through the gears, and if so, we will get you guys out of here. It's getting stuck in first, man. Not liking it. That's it, you guys. I don't like Supermotos anymore. That's it. I'm sick of Supermotos. I've had it with these things, man. Alright, you guys, John's Moto Garage, as always, thanks for tuning in. Gracias for checking out the channel. If you dig the content, smash the like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and stay tuned for tomorrow or the next video. We're going to go over the top 5 reasons why Supermotos suck. Alright, you guys, we'll hit you up next time. wasn't leaning back enough. Am I making too much noise over here? No. How you doing?
She lost about 15 pounds.
She's lost about 15?
She just starved herself to death.
Oh no.
Feed her all kinds of stuff. He eats everything.
That's the problem, huh?
Yeah. He's about 105 pounds. She was about 100 pounds, but
Just losing all her weight.
yeah, I think tomorrow take it to the vet to see what's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are their names?
Max and Julia.
Max and Julia? Hey, yo.
She normally don't like people.
Yeah.
You're very lucky. Well, enjoy yourself.
Hey, have a good one. Well, I guess we'll call that a sesh because he's walking through my wheelie spot. That's probably a good time to take off anyway.